Hello all, we shall see a program based on inheritance in C++ in this video. This program illustrates the access control in public derivation of a class. See, you have a class here, employee, which has two private data members, name and e-number. If the access specifier is not mentioned, by default C++ considers the members as private. Hope you know this already. And under the protected section, you have one data member basic and one member function get basic. Under the public section, we have two member functions get data and put data. Here the class ends. Here the derived class starts. Class manager. It is getting derived in the public visibility mode from employee class. It has one private data member title. And under the public section, it has two member functions get data and put data. And you can see the names are similar in the base class as well as the derived class. So, to call the base class function from the member function of the derived class, we use the qualifier name, that is the class name, scope resolution operator and the function name here. So, employee scope resolution get data of will call this get data function of the base class. In the same way, under put data function, employee scope resolution put data will call the base class put data function. Now we move on to the main function. Let's see how the program is getting executed. Two objects are created, manager M1, M2. So two objects M1 and M2 are created here. And just a message is getting printed, m1.getData. With the first object we are calling getData function. So the control goes to the derived class getData function here and it comes into the function. With this qualifier name, it goes to the getData of the base class and it will ask name and employee number. If you notice here, name and employee number are the private data members of the base class. So now what we have done, we are indirectly accessing the private members of the base class from the derived class function. After that, the control comes back here and it is calling get basic function, which is declared under the protected section of the base class. As the visibility mode is public, the protected section members have come as protected members into the derived class. So the member function of the derived class has the rights to call the member function of the base class directly. That's why this statement is valid. Get basic of, it is calling this protected function from the base class. So this function will get executed and then the control comes back here. It will ask the title, we are giving some title. And after that the control comes back here, m1.getData, and after that it executes the statement m2.getData, the same process is getting repeated, and after that m1.putData. So now put data function of the derived class will get accessed, and within the function we are calling the base class function put data. So the control goes here and it prints name, employee number, basic salary, and then comes back here, it prints the title, and again the process is getting repeated with the object M2. As the public data members and member functions are directly accessible by the objects of the class, we can write the get data and put data like this. Hope you have understood. We shall see the output in the next slide. Now see the output. For manager 1, I have entered the details of manager 1 and in the same way for manager 2, and we are getting the display for manager 1 details and manager 2 details. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. I'll explain as far as I could. Thank you for watching.